Hey YouTube friend, Steve here. Recently I pulled out an eyeball recessed light fixture right there and put in a pendant. And I'm going to add a dimmer to it today. I'm going to do that right now. Alright, first thing I need to do is I need to make sure that the power is shut off. So I'm going to go out to the garage and throw the breaker. Alright, so this is the dimmer I'm going to install. It's a Lutron. And for the cover plate and the dimmer, I purchased that at Home Depot for about 20 bucks. And you can see we have the on-off switch, and we also have the dimmer right there. So we could set the dimmer where we like and shut it on and off, or just control it with the dimmer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take the cover plate off. Alright, so now we're going to take these screws out. And we're going to pull out the switch. Alright, so the existing switch is a single pole. We have two black wires, and then we have the ground over here. So I'm just going to remove these. And I have this ground I'm going to take off.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just going to trim these wires down a little bit, just a touch. And now I'm going to hook them up. So we have the green over here. Green gets wrapped around like that. I'm going to take a wire nut. Tighten it like that. And we have a black to black. Same type of deal. More black to black. Twist it around. Wind it on like that. Alright, so now I'm just going to wrap a little electrical tape around it. And I squeeze them back into the box. Now I'm just screwing this switch to the wall like that. Not going to over tighten anything. Just going to make it snug. That's good. Alright, so this is like a it's almost like a screwless plate. Obviously I'm screwing this back plate in. I'm just going to make it snug, not too tight. And this plate, so you don't see any screws, it just goes over the top of it and then snaps into place like that, so you don't see any screws. And that's it. Alright, so the dimmer switch is installed. Here's the on-off. So now it's on. And this is how we dim it. Alright, so the dimmer switch is in. There it is at its brightest. Now I'll start to dim it. And you can see you can create a whole lot of ambience. And there it is at its dimmest.